saints are dead, and the saints, they will never grow old. I long for that city where there never comes a night, in that beautiful city of gold, where the sun never sets, and the leaves never fade, and the righteous forever will shine like the stars in that beautiful city of gold, in that beautiful city of gold.
I am that one by the highway on the road to Jericho. When I heard that Jesus of Nazareth was coming down the road, I cried, "Thou Son of David, have mercy, Lord, on me." Then someone said, "He's calling you," and I met this Nazarene, a stranger joined two disciples on Emmaus Road. With authority he talked of Jesus, so they invited him home. But as he blessed and brake the bread, their blinded eyes could see. They ran to Jerusalem and told the rest, "We have met this Nazarene." I am that crippled man in the way, I am the blind and lame, I am that dead man buried till someone called my name. That sinner defeated and so unclean, who now has victory. All I can say is I had no hope, but I met this Nazarene. I am the one before you now, who humbly testifies. Blind and lame, dead in sin, but I heard he was